Hi everyone. Today we are going to continue thinking about how to find the measurement of unknown angles. We're going to look at this problem here, measuring baseball angles. The problem says that the playing field for baseball lies between foul lines, which form a 90-degree angle. Suppose that each of the four infielders can cover an angle of about 13 degrees on a hard-hit ground ball, and that the pitcher can cover about 6 degrees. How many degrees are left for the batter to hit through? So here's the foul line. And the problem says that the foul line forms a 90-degree angle. Here's the measurement that the first baseman can cover, the second baseman can cover, the shortstop, and the third baseman. Each, as the problem says, is about 13 degrees. This 6 degrees here is the measure that the pitcher can cover. If I know that this angle here is 90 degrees, and I know the measurement that each baseman and the pitcher can cover, then what I need to do is say, this is 90 degrees. I need to figure out how much can be covered by the baseman and the pitcher, and that'll help me figure out how many degrees are left for the batter to hit through.